Science 9 Quarter 1 SLEM 3. That is all about different patterns of non-Mendelian inheritance. But in this video, we will be focusing on incomplete dominance. Objective: explain the incomplete dominance pattern of inheritance. Incomplete dominance. A mixture of alleles in the genotype is seen in the phenotype. Therefore, there is no dominant trait. To understand this lesson easier, take a closer look on the given illustration. Cell, the smallest functional unit of an organism. Nucleus, organelle inside the cell containing the chromosome. Chromosome, a structure that bears the genetic material as a thread-like linear strand of DNA. This part in the DNA called as gene. In studying incomplete dominance, you will encounter the term gene. Gene is the basic functional unit of heredity that made up of DNA. Aside from that, you will also encounter the term allele. Allele is a certain form of a gene. And trait. Traits refers to the characteristic that is caused by genetics. Phenotype. You have to take note that phenotype is the observable physical properties or characteristic of an organism such as appearance, curly hair, blue eyes, or being tall. While genotype is a set of genes the organism carries or have, usually represented by letters such as RW, XY, XC, XC. Incomplete dominance. As I said, that is the mixture of the alleles in the genotype is seen in the phenotype. Let's say a mother with straight hair and white complexion marry a man with curly hair and black complexion. Her daughter has a possibility to have a wavy hair and a fair skin. Since incomplete dominance is a mixture of the allele, the daughter will have wavy hair and fair skin. I'll give you example of incomplete dominance. Example: pink snapdragon flower is one of the result of incomplete dominance. Suppose cross-pollination between red snapdragon and white snapdragon was done. What would be the genotype and phenotype of the offspring? Consider the following genotype and phenotype of snapdragon, red snapdragon, and white snapdragon. If the phenotype is red, the genotype is RR. If the phenotype is white, the genotype is WW. For you to know the possible outcomes of breeding, you have to use Punnett square. Snapdragon flower. We have red, we have white, and we have pink snapdragon. Suppose red snapdragon RR was cross-pollinate with white snapdragon. having a genotype of WW. If you do the Punnett square, you will get RW, 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 and RW inside the box. So possible genotype and phenotype of the offspring is RW and pink. Question number 1. What are the possible genotype of the offspring? Based on the Punnett square that we have, the genotype is RW. Question number 2. What are the possible phenotype of the offspring? Based on the table, we have pink. Number 3, what is the possibility to have pink snapdragon? We have 100%. Question number 4, what is the possibility to have white snapdragon? Based on the result, we have 0%. And the last question is, how do you describe incomplete dominance pattern of inheritance based on your activity? In incomplete dominance, there is blending of traits. Try to answer this one. Suppose cross-pollination between pink snapdragon RW and white snapdragon WW was done. What would be the genotype and phenotype of the offspring? Thank you. Till next time.